Carnival in Jamaica was a big hit over the weekend. Revelers are out in their numbers on Sunday for the highly anticipated Road March 2022. The event saw Carnival bands, Bacchanal Jamaica and Exodus taking to the streets of Kingston while creating the ultimate experience for soca lovers. Co-director of Bacchanal Jamaica, Michael Lamar Jr. spoke about the turnout of patrons at yesterday's event.
We're very pleased with the turnout. We're at about 80% of full size, due to the fact that some overseas persons were not able to attend. Overall, we were very satisfied and happy with the carnival. We did it despite all the factors being against it happening. We had about 800 revelers total on the road this year, and we're looking forward to a full sold-out band again for 2023.
Carnival in Jamaica also took patrons on a new route for the first time.
Revelers reacted very positively to the new route as it was less congested and wider for them to play mass. The total route was about half a mile shorter, with the morning being the shorter portion of the total. This was deliberately done as after lunch more revelers come out and we wanted to give them the maximum time on the road.
Carnival Road March brought a close to the season in Kingston, which kicked off in June with a slew of pre-events. Now in 2023, the Carnival season will return to its original staging in April. Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul continues to make waves on the scene. The artist recently celebrated another milestone in his career. His 2011 hit single Got to Love You, featuring American singer Alexis Jordan, has been certified gold in the United Kingdom. The British phonographic industry issues a gold certificate for sales of over 400,000 units. Got to Love You was featured on Sean Paul's fifth studio album dubbed Tomahawk Technique. The song peaked number 84 on the US Billboard Hot 100 and number 11 on the UK singles chart. It gained international success as a top 10 hit in Australia, Belgium, France, Germany, Norway, Poland, Spain, and Switzerland. The official music video has received more than 439 million views on streaming platform YouTube. Sean Paul is currently embarked on his Scorcher tour. Now the tour will see him making stops in several cities across Europe, including Luxembourg, Denmark, Germany, France, the UK, as well as in North America. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.